Did you know that up to 70% of people experience imposter syndrome at some point in their lives? In this video, we delve into the concept of imposter syndrome, exploring its definition and how it affects individuals. We also discuss how practicing mindfulness can help in overcoming imposter syndrome by promoting self awareness and self acceptance. Watch to learn valuable insights and practical tips for understanding and tackling imposter syndrome through mindfulness resolutions. Our today's topic is imposter syndrome, understanding and overcoming it with mindfulness. What is imposter syndrome? Imposter syndrome is a psychological pattern where individuals doubt their accomplishments and have a persistent fear of being exposed as a fraud, despite evidence of their competence and success. People with imposter syndrome often feel like they do not deserve their achievements and attribute them to luck, timing, or deceiving others into thinking they are more capable than they actually are. Characteristics of imposter syndrome: self doubt, continuous questioning of one's abilities, and a lack of confidence in their skills. Attribution to external factors, believing that success is due to luck, timing, or external factors rather than one's own competence. Fear of exposure, constant fear that others will eventually discover they are not as capable as they appear to be. Perfectionism, setting excessively high standards for oneself and feeling like a failure when these standards are not met. Overworking, working harder than necessary to make up for perceived inadequacies and avoid being found out. Now let's look through example of imposter syndrome. Scenario: Maria is a software engineer who has recently been promoted to a senior position at her company. She has a proven track record of delivering successful projects and has received positive feedback from her colleagues and supervisors. Despite this, Maria often feels like she does not deserve her promotion and worries that her peers will realize she is not as skilled as they think. Let's see Maria's manifestations. Attributing success to luck. When Maria successfully completes a challenging project, she dismisses it as a fluke or attributes it to help from her teammates rather than her own skills and hard work. Downplaying achievements. When a manager congratulates her on a job well done, Maria quickly changes the subject or credits the success to external factors, believing she does not deserve the praise. Fear of exposure. Maria is constantly anxious that she will make a mistake that reveals her true lack of ability. This fear leads her to over prepare for meetings and work long hours to ensure everything is perfect. Comparing to others. Maria frequently compares herself to her colleagues, believing that they are more competent and knowledgeable than she is, even though they often look up to her for guidance. Let's see the impact: increased stress and anxiety. Maria's constant self doubt and fear of being exposed lead to high levels of stress and anxiety. Burnout. Her tendency to overwork to compensate for her perceived inadequacies results in physical and emotional exhaustion. Missed opportunities. Maria might avoid taking on new challenges or applying for further promotions because she feels she is not truly qualified. Now let's focus on three mindfulness practices which Maria can focus on or practice. First is mindful reflection. Step 1: set aside time. Dedicate a few minutes each day for mindful reflection. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably without distractions. Step 2. Focus on breath. Begin with a few deep breaths to center yourself. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Step 3. Observe thoughts. As you sit quietly, allow your thoughts to come and go without trying to change them. When thoughts related to imposter syndrome arise, simply note them and let them pass. This practice helps you become more aware of these thoughts without becoming entangled in them. Next is self compassion meditation. Step 1. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Step 2. Recite compassion phrases. Silently repeat phrases such as, May I be kind to myself, May I accept myself as I am, and May I recognize my strengths. Focus on the meaning of each phrase and let the feelings of compassion grow. Step 3. Embrace imperfection. Reflect on a time when you felt like an imposter. Instead of criticizing yourself, offer yourself compassion and understanding. Recognize that these feelings are a common human experience. Next is gratitude and acknowledgement journal. Step 1. Daily practice. Set aside time each day, such as before bed or in the morning, to write in a journal. Step 2. List accomplishments. Write down at least 3 things you accomplished that day, no matter how small. Acknowledge your efforts and the positive outcomes of your actions. Step 3. Reflect on gratitude. In addition to your accomplishments, note things you are grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from perceived inadequacies to positive aspects of your life and achievements. Benefits of mindful self awareness for imposter syndrome: reduced self doubt, increased self compassion, improved self recognition, enhanced emotional regulation, and greater confidence. Overcoming imposter syndrome through mindful self awareness involves cultivating present moment awareness, self compassion, and recognition of your achievements. By integrating mindfulness practices such as mindful reflection, self compassion meditation, and gratitude journaling into your daily routine, you can effectively address and mitigate the impacts of imposter syndrome. This holistic approach not only enhances your self perception but also promotes overall mental well being and resilience. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such information. Stay mindful, stay blessed, take care. Thank you.